I was born and grew up in Jamaica. I grew up with my grandma and my dad and my mom, and they're the one who inspired me to be a chef. And now I serve a purpose in this world. The purpose is for me to share the beautiful Caribbean dishes to the world. Nice and lovely, guys. Anyway, welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. I'm going to be showing you how to do a original lime tea with ginger and original honey at home. I did a few recipes on lime tea before, but the more you learn about lime tea, the more you get the experience. I just share my experience with you guys, so hopefully you will love this recipe. And please leave your comments in the description box, and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. The reason why I'm doing this kind of tea, because you know the weather will be changing and you need to start to prepare yourself, prepare your body. Just like if you're going on a journey with your car, you need to check the oil, check the water, check your tire. So basically you need to check your immune system with some natural remedy like some lime and ginger tea and all these things. So how to prepare your body ready for winter. This is how we started in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. You need a medium-sized pot like this, and you need half of a lime, and I'm going to be using some lime skin inside of it. Okay, so I will take you through it and show you how I'm going to do this one. So let's kick it off. Nice. So this is a medium-sized pot. All right, and we're going to put 2 cups of water. Lovely. And we're going to squeeze half of a lime into the water like this, and we're going to cut up the bits and put inside of it. This is a ginger, and I need to cut off a lovely piece. Lovely. So we're just gonna put this to the boil for about 10 minutes. What's going on?
I got a glass of water, please.
Eh?
A glass of water.
Water? Oh, water. Nice and lovely. So basically, it just boiled. You know, I slowly boil it. So ready? I'm gonna be turning off my stove, guys, because it is ready, as you can see for yourself. Alright? So now let's pour it off. Lovely and nice. So what we're going to do now is this. Alright? Can get a few pieces of it and put it straight inside of the water like that. Lovely. We're gonna get some of the natural authentic honey. This one can't get them in the local shop to buy. You have to get this at the health shop. A little bit expensive, but it's worth it at the end of the day. I'll just use half teaspoon. Let's taste. Oh my days, that is amazing, guys, and that's what I'm talking about. Really fantastic and nice. So yeah, leave your comments in the description box, and also please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things that are coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. This is just one of my best recipe for this long time. Lime tea and how to prepare your body. Get it ready before the winter come. This is from Chef Ricardo, so stay tuned. I will come with a lot more recipe and let you guys see exactly what's going on in the kitchen. See you next time. Bye-bye. I was born and grew up in Jamaica. I grew up with my grandma and my dad and my mom, and they're the one who inspired me to be a chef. And now I serve a purpose in this world. The purpose is for me to share the beautiful Caribbean dishes to the world.